Hi there, this is Ray. A lot of folks have asked for a video or some steps for importing dupes into Repository Manager, so I thought I'd make one hopefully really quickly. And first thing we're going to do is we're going to start by selecting the platform that we want to modify. In this case, we're going to go with the R510. I want to add a dupe to the Windows bundle. And the first thing we want to do is export this, because currently we're working on the FTP sites repository and we really can't modify that, so let's export that first. And we're going to export as a new repository. We'll just call it R510. Okay, that was successful. So now we can start to play with the bundle itself. And we're going to look at the components view. And we're going to add a file that starts with a netw is the name of it. As you can see, there's two of them here. This is the latest one, the 307184. We're going to add a new one. This is it right here, netw firmware 319248. Open. And it got added to the list. Now the important part here that you mustn't forget is that, as you can see, it didn't get added here to the list. It's not at the end of the list. What you have to do is come up here to the bundle listing and select all the components. At that point, for some reason it doesn't get listed alphabetically here where you would think it'd be. It's supposed to be modified in another version of Repository Manager. It's down here at the very end. That's okay. So we're going to select all the components and we're going to export as well. And we want to add components into an existing bundle in the same repository, because we already have a repository and we already have a bundle, which is the R510 bundle. There you go, select that one. And in this listing we should see the firmware. Once again, it's not going to be in alphabetical order here. It's going to be at the very end. And there it is. So we're going to finish. Yes, we're going to modify the existing bundle. You can always download it again if you make a mistake. And it did it. So at this point we're going to flip back to the bundle. And just for giggles, we're going to select it here. And I like to go back and check it, because every now and then strange things happen. And there it is. Now if you notice, there were two already. The latest one got removed and this one has replaced it. This is the latest one on there, so it replaced the one that was there previously. Now we can export this normally as we would, and we can create an SUU. Just for giggles, I'm going to create an SUU, and you can, from here it's pretty much straightforward. It's export to a directory, export to an ISO, export to the raw driver pack, however you want to do it, but that's pretty much it. You're done at this point. Once you export the files, you should be okay, and if not, please post to the support site and I'll try to help you out. Thanks.